I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using the best hardware. Plug the original Tecno charger into a wall outlet and connect the stock cable. This reduces voltage drop and heat. Once connected, remove the phone case and enable airplane mode to stop background sync. This lowers active draw. Close camera and gaming apps so charging current focuses on the battery. Make sure ambient temperature is cool. Batteries charge faster and safer at moderate temperatures, which also prevents throttling and slow charge. Once done with initial prep, optimize the charging flow by keeping the screen off. Display drains current and increases surface heat. Make sure GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi are off unless required for a specific task. These radios periodically wake the system. You should avoid charging from very low or nearly full levels when trying to preserve battery health. Aim to fast charge between 20% and 80% when possible. Also, let the charger and cable sit flat to prevent connect. You finish by monitoring charge progress and unplug at about 80% for the fastest practical top-up. Charging above that slows due to balancing. If you notice unusually slow charge, try a different cable and charger, and test another wall outlet. Faulty cables or weak adapters are common culprits. If the phone becomes very warm, stop charging immediately and let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes before resuming. Excessive heat signals a problem and prevents safe fast charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.